In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front exterior door handle on your Chevy Malibu. This will be located on the outside of the door. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, we're going to get behind our plastic trim piece and pop that out. Behind there, we're going to find a 7mm screw. Go ahead and remove that. Using a trim tool, we're going to pick up this little piece inside of the door. Under that, you're going to find a 7mm screw. Go ahead and remove that. I'm going to use a pick tool and get under the window switch. Go down and pop all the clips. On the back side, we're going to have a connector. We're going to push on this tab and remove it. Put that to the side. Behind our window switch bezel, we have two more 7mm screws. Go ahead and remove those. Under the speaker on the door, we're going to have one more 7mm bolt. Go ahead and remove that. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to get in between the door trim and the door. We're going to go around and pop all the clips. Go around the door and pop all of the clips. Once you have all the clips popped off, we're going to lift up on the rear of the door, pull straight up and remove it from the door. Gently pull the vapor barrier down. Just until we can get access to here. Reaching inside of the door. On the back side of our connector here, there's going to be a little red tab. This is a lock. We're going to push that towards the back of the connector. Once we do that, we can push on this tab right here, unlocking our connector, and we can pull it out. On the outside edge of the door, you're going to find a black cap. Go ahead and remove that cap. Using a T25 bit, we're going to remove the screw. Loosen the screw, but do not fully remove it. Pull slightly up on the handle. Grab this rear piece and remove it. We're going to use a right angle pick, and we're going to insert that through that lock hole. We're going to pull up on our handle. On the back of our handle, there's going to be a spring with a bracket. We're going to try and push on that with our pick. Once we have it, we're going to pull back on our handle and out, and that'll release the handle. Gently let go with your pick. Hinge it out and remove the connector. Install the harness for the door handle through the hole. Get the door handle started. Hinge it down in. We're going to reuse our right angle pick, and we're going to grab that spring again, pull it up to the front, just like that. Install the door handle into the spring. Be sure your gasket is sitting correctly. Gently let the handle down. Lift slightly up on the handle. Install that back trim piece. Let the handle back down. Snug down the bolt in the door. Install the cap. Install the connector for the door handle. Push it into place. You'll hear a click. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked in there. Stick the vapor barrier back up into place. We're going to remove the weather stripping from the door. We're going to use a right angle pick. We're going to remove these clips on the back of the door. Push down on the top part of the tab and pull up on the bottom. Repeat this process for all 5 clips going down this door. Install the clips into the top of the door. Install the weather stripping. This will install over and into the clips. Pull your door panel up into place. Line it up. Push it down into place and you'll hear all of your clips click in. Go around the rest of the door. Reach down and grab your connector. Be sure that it's pulled through the door panel. We have 2 7mm screws. Go ahead and snug those down. Grab your mirror switch. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. Line it up. We're going to push straight down. You'll hear it clip into place. Install the screw for the window switch trim. Install the rubber cover. Install the screw behind the door handle. Grab your trim cover. Put the bottom in first. Push the top into place. It'll click. We have 1 more screw on the bottom of our door panel. Go ahead and install that. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.